Life isn't a popularity contest. It's not an act, and it's certainly not fair. It's not a fad, it's not a fashion statement, and it's not about pretending to have all the answers or claiming to be real. Life is blood and guts and sweat. It's hard work, true heart, pure grit. And it's time someone set the record straight. Introducing Center Drive from Gerber. With a first-of-its-kind full-size driver on the center axis that uses standard bits. A full-size outboard knife that's 30% longer than the competition with reverse thumb support. Plus, spring-loaded pliers. And they're all accessible with a flick of your thumb. The multi-tool just got a reality check.
Using a tape measure just got easier with the introduction of the eTape 16. It solves a problem virtually everyone has, measuring mistakes, and it's actually educational and fun to use. The eTape 16 takes the human error out of measuring by giving you an accurate digital measurement every time, with the ability to recall your measurements at any time. As you lengthen the tape measure blade, you immediately see why eTape 16 is different and not your ordinary tape measure. It takes the guesswork out of measuring. With the large digital display, one can see and read the measurement clearly. With the touch of the inch-centimeter button, it allows you to read the measurement displayed in inches, feet, fractions, decimals, and even converts from standard to metric and back. Not only does it measure easily and accurately, but it has several other useful functions. When taking a measurement, you can use the standard blade lock or use the digital hold button. The large display makes your measurement easy to use and easy to remember and recall with the touch of a button. The inside-outside function allows you to measure to the front of the tape measure or to the back and calculates the extra width. No more needing to bend your blade when backed into a corner. When you need to hang a picture or find the center of a measurement, press this center line button and it will calculate it for you. Whenever someone sees the eTape digital tape measure for the first time, their initial reactions are, "That is cool! It makes total sense and I want one." Thus, the digital tape measure was born. Since its origin, the eTape has proven useful in a multitude of settings. The eTape 16 is a unique and durable tool that provides data in a more simple, reliable, and accurate way. For any job, whether at home or work, the rugged and durable eTape 16 digital tape measure will ensure your measurements are accurate every time. Here's to measuring once and cutting once. Until next time.
After 30 years as the industry leader, CLC takes tool bags to the next level. We're proud to introduce the A233 TechGear Stereo Speaker 18-inch tool bag. This bag has an integrated speaker system that's designed to work with most digital portable audio devices. Take your music player and your tools with you in one bag. Connect the device with the included audio jack, adjust the volume, and enjoy. A see-through protective cover enables easy identification of selection and function of your audio device. The A233 stereo system can be powered with the included AC adapter or with 4 D-cell batteries. 18 pockets on the inside and 21 pockets on the outside keep you organized. Enjoy your music on the go without having to carry another separate device. The best products, the best value. CLC, thinking outside the toolbox.
Greenworks Pro is the ultimate battery-powered outdoor equipment. The powerful 80-volt lithium-ion battery and revolutionary brushless motor technology provide true gas performance. The cordless jet blower will reach 500 cubic feet per minute, which easily powers through all surfaces. The variable speed trigger is great for optimized airspeed control. It weighs 8.9 pounds, which is about a gallon of milk. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery uses cutting-edge technology to deliver maximum power, and it fully recharges in only 30 minutes. The electric start is easy to use, and it's ultra-quiet with minimal vibration versus comparable gas blowers. Hassle-free operation. no cord, no gas, no maintenance. Greenworks. Life gets easier.
This is the Extend and Climb Telescoping Ladder, the convenient, portable, lightweight ladder for all of your household and professional needs. What sets the Extend and Climb ladder apart is its retractable, small, and transportable size, which can be stored almost anywhere. This allows you to carry a compact, full-size ladder with one arm while grabbing supplies or opening doors with the other. Its lightweight design offers effortless movement to be able to fit in small spaces. True telescoping technology offers a stable ladder experience and has surpassed all ANSI and OSHA standards. When your task is complete, effortlessly retract your ladder back to its compact size and you're on your way. So whether you're a stay-at-home mom or a full-time contractor, Extend and Climb offers the go-to ladder to make your job simpler, one step at a time.